Hi, this is Aaron at ThinkBotLabs.com, and today I wanted to start a tutorial series on how to build a website using HTML templates. These templates will be converted to be used in ASP.NET master pages, which will be running on an IIS Windows server. There are three parts of setting up a website: a domain, which is the name of your website, a server to run your website, and documents to serve up the website itself. When creating websites, there are four main types of them. Informational websites. This enables readers to find out information on businesses or topics. E-commerce is a place to go sell goods. Social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and photo sharing websites like you'll see in photography. We'll be focusing on informational websites. It'll be very basic, and I'll give you the basic understanding of what is all entailed in creating a website. When you've decided you're ready to build a website, you have two options for server hosting: self-hosted or hosting provider. Self-hosted is where you run the website off a server you own. A hosting provider is a company that provides servers for you to run the website off of. We'll be using a hosting provider because they're much easier to set up, and you don't have to worry about things like static IPs, port forwarding, firewalls, scalability, etc. There are a lot of hosting providers, so feel free to research one that you like. I use a company called 1-on-1. They have a great price and a bunch of features. 1-on-1 has both Windows and Linux servers. We'll be focusing on Windows. For what we'll be doing, the basic unlimited package will work great. This package offers unlimited websites, unlimited storage, 5 databases, and a free domain when signing up. Once you've found the one that you like, click Continue. Again, the domain is the name of your website. We get one free domain when signing up for this package. I have one that I'm already going to use for this tutorial, so you can search what you would like to put in here. Going through the wizard, it'll let you know if this domain is available or not. You can see that phase 4 has already been taken. There's also recommendations for alternate extensions or other alternatives. It'll try to match up the name of what you had spelled it in the search. Once you find the one that you like, go ahead and select it, add it to the cart, and click Continue. So you can have longer contract periods to save. I'm just going to do the 12 months. And I'm going to set my term at 1 month. I like setting it at 1 month just in case I want to go to a different hosting provider. It's easier to get out of contract that way. Once you've found the package and the domain that you like, finish the checkout, and then you'll be emailed once the host and the domain has been set up for you. If you're already a customer, go ahead and sign up. If you're not, go ahead and create yourself a new account. The email will contain information on how to log into your control panel and other relevant information. Alright, here we are in our control panel. First thing we need to do, we need to prep our domain. And what I mean by prepping our domain is that we need to make sure that it has a directory for us to upload files to. Find the domain that you just purchased, or the one that you're going to use. Click the drop down, and we're going to edit the destination. Scroll down to web space. This is where all your domains and all of your files live at on storage. Just to keep things tidy, I like to name the folder the same as my domain. It makes it easier to find in the long run. So you can create yourself a directory, name it, and then select it, and it'll put it right up in the target directory. Once that's complete, click Save, and then go back to Control Panel. The next thing we need to do is set up our secure FTP account. This will give us the ability to log into our web server and upload files to it. You should have one listed by default that has root level access. If the password wasn't emailed to you, go ahead and click Edit and set the password. This will be all you need to do in the one-on-one control panel. In the next video, we'll be looking at accessing your web server and preparing it for the HTML templates.